everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. Now, the reason why I've been kind of having a weird Walmart schedule lately is because I feel like you guys should be doing the bonuses too. I mean, unless you guys have done it in the past, but I really have been wanting to get the bonuses that they have on the weekends. I like this today, or less, was it yesterday? Yesterday I checked and I needed 8 rebates to get the Weekend Warrior, and I'm like, that is super easy. So you just needed... I just needed 8 rebates to get $5, and then I needed 20 more. I only needed 19 rebates to get what was it called? The Epic 8, and then there's 70 also. There's another one that I'll get, a Tremendous 12, which you get. I'll hit that one soon too, but I did hit a lot of bonuses, and that's why I kind of wanted to go with this in case you guys wanted to get some of this stuff. And some of these coupons do expire this weekend, so I'm like, I'm just going to do it. But the first deal I got is the Spaghettios. Now, I have 3 of the other cans on the floor. I'm just feeding Miss Charlotte with a bottle right now in my lap, so it's really hard to get those. But the Spaghettios, I'm a huge fan of. I love Spaghettios. These are just 98 cents. Now, I know we were supposed to get inserts for them. Coupons from this past weekend. I didn't get any, which I'm fine with, but I ended up having some coupons from coupons.com for 50 cents off of 3. So you buy 4 of them, you guys use 50 cents off of 3. You guys will pay $3.42 for 4 cans of Spaghettios. But then you guys can submit $1 off of 4 on Ibotta. And you guys get points on Fetch Rewards for this also. So you guys will get these for $2.42 or just 61 cents a can, which I think is a great deal. So, and I love Spaghettios. That's like one of my favorite things to eat. Like, that's something I could probably eat for the rest of my life, is Spaghettios. But then I also got the 4-pack. Now, what's funny is, like, they totally changed the aisle since I was there on Saturday last weekend. But I ended up getting the 4-pack also. Now, these were $3.62. You guys would pay $3.62 for all 4 of these. But then you guys can submit $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.62 or just 65 cents a piece, which is a great price for a can. And you guys get points through Fetch Rewards if you guys want to do that also. So sharing you guys that deal. Like, August is going to be a great month with a lot of bonuses. That's all I'm going to say. And if you guys want to be on my team, you can friend request me. Now, I have a link to be my Facebook friend on thing. It says to be on my Ibotta team, Facebook friend request me. You guys click on that link. I have a special Facebook page to friend request me just for Ibotta, but I also have a personal Facebook page. I've seen a couple of you guys friend request me. I will deny you on the spot. I don't let a lot of you guys be personal friends with me on Facebook, but I will let you be friends with me on my other Facebook page so you guys can get your teams better. So if you guys try searching my name and you see that there's 2 people with the same name with the same picture, make sure you see the one that's with just me, and it has, like, my profile picture has the Ibotta thing on it, because I will deny you on my other page. I'm just not trying to be mean. I just don't need everybody to know my personal thing. Like, so, even though I really don't post anything that's personal, but I'm just saying with you guys on that. Now, I ended up getting the Blasted Ranch thing again, because there's actually 3 different rebates. I only had 2 coupons, so I just got 2 different rebates. But there's different flavors of these, so you guys will actually get different rebates. So it depends on what you guys want. There's, like, the Ranch Drip Pizza. I ended up also getting the Bold Buffalo, and then there's oh, I can't remember what the other one was. It's like Zesty Ranch or something is what it was. But I ended up getting the Blasted Ranch. I think this was $2.58 and the other one was $2.78. All 3 of them were different prices, which I thought was really weird, but all 3 of them were different prices. So depending on what your guys' store does, they'd be those prices. I use a 50-cent off coupon. I used 2 50-cent off coupons. So one would be $2.08 and the other one was $2.28. I got $1 back with each of these. These are 2 different rebates, and they come out to be just $1.08 or $1.28. So not the greatest deal, but if you guys want to get some, you know, special made dips, definitely do that deal if you guys are interested in something like that. I also did the Kotex deal again because those coupons are expiring this weekend and I wanted to take advantage of it. So these were $5.22. You guys want to buy 2 of them and use that 4 off of 2 coupon. My coupon never works, ever. I've never had a Kotex coupon ever work at Walmart. I don't know why, but it just never works. But you guys would pay $6.44 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta times 2 and submit to Fetch Rewards. So these come out to be just $2.44 or $1.22 a piece. So I wanted to do that deal to share with you guys in case you need any feminine products. Right now is a great time to get feminine products if you guys want to save them up and donate them. I know Gina Schreppe is starting a program about stuff like that, but if you guys want to help in your local area, definitely do that. I did the Colgate mouthwash. Now this was $4.18. I used a $1 off coupon that we've got from coupons.com that's no longer available. You guys would pay $3.18 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.18. So I thought $1.18 for a big giant thing is a pretty good deal. I usually say, 99 cents or under is the best deal, but if you guys can get it around that price, definitely go for that. I ended up doing I didn't have any more Kleenex coupons, so I'm like, I'll just do this. So these were 97 cents, these little 3 packs of Kleenex. You guys would pay 97 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta and submit to Fetch Rewards, making these just 47 cents. So you guys can get some points for, buying that. So I thought that was a pretty good deal with that. Right. Yeah. Okay. The next deal I got is the Febreze In Wash laundry soap. Now this was $8.84. Now you guys, I have coupons that I got from last summer that are still good. I think this was the last and final one that I have. I think it's from like your 620 Smart Source or something from last summer. So if you guys still have those, awesome. I don't know if there's any coupons out there for them anymore. If you do know, let me know, because I searched in the coupon thing and I couldn't find any. But if you guys still have that $4 off coupon, you guys would pay $4.84. But then you guys can submit a $3.50 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.34. There used to be a coupon that you guys could print on the website, but I don't think that's available anymore either. So sharing you guys that deal. Okay, you guys, sorry, my battery died. But the next deal we got is the Crunchmaster. These are $2.78. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon that was on coupons.com. I don't think they're available anymore. They're usually available for a very limited time. Benjamin, can you not make more of a mess, please? You guys would pay $1.78 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta and a $1 rebate with Checkout 51. Final price comes to be just 28 cents a piece. I don't want any of these toys near me, honey. So 28 cents if you guys want some crackers. The next deal we got is the Sunbelt snacks. Now these are $1.93. You guys, Miss Charlotte is just being loud. You guys would pay $1.93 for the both of those, or for that. But then you guys will get $1 back with Ibotta, making it just 93 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal. But then there's also a deal where if you guys bought it in 2 separate transactions, you guys would get a 50-cent bonus. So you guys would either get this for 93 cents or just 43 cents, and I think that's a great deal. Right now with school starting, this is a great stock-up price if you guys want to get those, and my husband loves those too. Now, Okay, the next deal we got is the cat food deal. Now I've been going crazy over the cat food deal because I just could not pass it up. There's no coupons for it this time, so I just wanted to get it because this is stuff that my cat eats, and I really want to stock up on this. Before they had these Ibotta deals, I actually was like to the last cup, so I was pretty excited about that. She was right by my foot, but I ended up getting 4 different Meow Mix deals. Now I'm going to continue getting this until it's no longer available, and they only reset 5, but I ended up getting the 12 pack of the Meow Mix. Now this was $5.52. You would pay $5.52 for this, but then you guys will get a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just $4.77 or just 39 cents a piece for a cup, which I think is a pretty good deal. So I got that for my cat, and then it's hard to grab it, but I ended up getting a 12 pack. The 12 pack was $10.97. You guys would pay $10.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making it $9.47 or 39 cents a piece. So that's the reason why I got those, is because my cat just loves them and I had to get them. There's just like using a coupon, and I don't like paying full price for that. So I ended up getting these little cups. I got 4 of them. There's another one right here. But these were 48 cents a piece. You guys need to buy 4 of them. You would pay $1.92 for these. But then you guys will get 50 cents off of 4 back with Ibotta, making it $1.52 or just 38 cents a piece. So if you guys are interested in doing that deal, I also ended up getting the 2 packs of the Meow. Sorry, my kids are just super cranky today. I've been trying to film 2 videos and it just won't get done because somebody's cranky. Somebody's cranky. But the next deal we got is the 2 packs of Meow Mix. Now these are 72 cents a piece. You guys would pay $1.44 for both of these. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 94 cents or just 47 cents a piece. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do, but I thought I'm going to get that stuff for my cat because she absolutely loves that stuff, and it's a great price, I think, without, you know, paying regular price for it. I ended up getting the pineapple juice again. So this was $2.48. You guys want to use the 75-cent off coupon that we got. You would pay $1.73 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.23. So I think for a giant can of pineapple juice, I actually made a drink with that with like the green or blue Hawaiian punch with that, and it tasted really good. So yeah. I got the serious beans. I got Buckin' Buffalo beans. These are $1.48. You guys would pay $1.48 for these, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, just making it 98 cents. I needed like 1 item more to hit my, or 2 items more to hit my bonus. So I'm just like, okay, what can I get? But I also got these olives to go. Now these were $3.38, and I felt like these prices have gone up since then. But yeah, $3.38 for this. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon. You would pay $2.38 for this and submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.88 or just 47 cents a cup. Not the greatest deal, but like I said, I really was trying to find some rebates here and there so I could share with you guys some deals. Now this is one deal that I was pretty excited about. I ended up getting the Ritz toasted chips, and then I also got the Ritz crisp and thins. These are chips that I actually buy a lot. So these were $2.58 for each of them. You guys would pay $2.58 for these, but then you guys can submit 2 different rebates for $1, making it just $1.58. So I think for $1.58 for some chips is a pretty decent deal if you guys want to do that. But that was my haul. A lot of it was like the same repeated things, and some of them were new items. I think August is going to be a great month for couponing with Ibotta. But my total came to $61.14. I ended up getting $23 back with Ibotta for all those items. I finished level 2, so I got $1 bonus for that. I finished the Weekend Warrior, which I needed 8 rebates to hit that, so I got $5 for that. The Epic 8 bonus was where I needed 40 rebates, so between my last week's haul and this week I hit 40, so I got $8 back for that. I also got that 50-cent bonus rebate for buying 2 separate transactions. And then Checko 51, I got $1 back. So my grand total came to $22.64. So I think I did a pretty good job. I mean, $22 for all that stuff I think is pretty good, especially that I got a $10 thing of cat food. You know, that right there. So, well, actually I got like almost $20 worth of cat food. So I think that right there, you know, depending on what you guys need, definitely do that. But yeah, $22.64. I got 27 items. If you guys add everything up, everything came to be about 83 cents a piece. So I will take a big, large thing of cat food for 83 cents. Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed my Walmart Ibotta haul. I'm not sure when I'll do these again. I usually like sticking to my Mondays, but if they're gonna continue having some really good rebates on the weekends, I might start doing my videos on Fridays or Saturdays. It just depends on what day it starts. But I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.